Hello everyone, welcome to Macube Official. Have you ever paused to consider how much storage space you have left on your Mac? If not, in this fast-paced digital world, managing system storage on your Mac is crucial. Cluttered storage can slow down your system, affect performance, and hinder productivity. Now let's learn how to clear system storage on Mac. The first method to clear system storage on your Mac is by using a tool called Macube Cleaner. This handy tool automatically detects and cleans up unnecessary files. It intelligently scans your system, identifies junk files, and clears them with the Smart Scan function. So how does it work? First, you'll need to download and install Macube Cleaner from its official website. Once installed, open the application and click on Smart Scan. This will initiate a scan of your system for junk files, large and old files, duplicate files, and other potential clutter. After the scan, Macube Cleaner will give you a summary of what it found. Yes, before deciding to clean a file, Macube will display the time, type, and size of the file for you to check. Next, simply click Clean, and voila, you've just freed up space on your Mac. Our second method to free up some storage space is by deleting cache files manually. Open Finder and press Shift, plus Command, plus G. Type ~library caches, and press Enter. Select the cache folders you wish to delete. Right-click and choose Move to Trash. Empty the trash to permanently clear the files. Pro tip: deleting cache files can speed up your Mac, but be sure not to delete system cache unless necessary, but you're not done yet. We have one more method. Our third and final method is to clear out your Downloads folder. This is a place where files can accumulate without you even noticing. To get there, click on Finder and then Downloads from the Go menu. Now take a moment to review the files. See something you don't need anymore. Select it and press Command plus Delete to move it to the trash. Remember, emptying the trash is the final step in this process. And there you have it, 3 methods to clear system storage on your Mac. So we've learned 3 different ways to clear system storage on your Mac. After testing, Macube Cleaner champions automation, ensuring thorough cleaning without headaches. Manually deleting cache files is a quick method, but calls for caution. Clearing out the Downloads folder is a straightforward process, though it might not free up a lot of space, regardless of the method you choose. While each method has its place, Macube Cleaner stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's the recommended choice for those who value their time and digital health. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to us.